Today, I would like to introduce an approach to vocabulary that I believe will be helpful on the IELTS exam. Oftentimes, when we're thinking about vocabulary, we're trying to use more academic or advanced words. But from what I understand of the public descriptor, we need to show flexibility, use some less common expressions, and try to paraphrase. And so what I like to teach is that there's 5 basic ways we paraphrase. We find synonyms, antonyms, examples, definitions, and part of speech. And I also like to share that it's not enough to replace words. You want to use both of the words, one as a main sentence idea and the other as a supporting sentence idea. So why don't we take the word education and look at other forms of this word education that we can play with. For example, we can take the noun education and turn it into the verb to educate. There's 2 adjective forms, educated, like an educated person, or educational, like an educational activity. And of course, the person who educates is called an educator. Now, let's take these words and play with it by making a short paragraph. A model might look like this. We are all here in pursuit of an education. For example, a college education will help you get a good job. Educated people can often earn a lot of money. But it is important to not just learn in school, but educate yourself by doing things like reading books in your free time. Sometimes an educator can help, like a teacher or a tutor. But some people think that experience is the best education. So there's many ways I could write a paragraph based on what I think, but this is just a sample. Maybe you can play with these words too and come up with other ideas. I also want to point out how I highlighted in green where I said learn in school, because this is like a personal definition of when I say education, what does that mean? It means learning in school. And then when I highlighted teacher or tutor, here are words that are examples of educators. So I incorporated other types of paraphrasing into this short paragraph. So why don't you give it a try? Have a look at these words, come up with some ideas yourself, and write some paragraphs. Show me in the comments what you can do. And don't forget to like and subscribe to make sure you don't miss out on future videos about vocabulary, IELTS Writing Task 1, IELTS Writing Task 2, and many other topics to help you prepare for your upcoming IELTS exam. See you next time.